Welcome back, Chuck Chews. Today, can't really tell with the window closed. We're going to try Trader Joe's chicken Shu Mai. I guess I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's these little dumpling-looking little things. Chicken and vegetable dumplings with a tangy soy sauce packet. Yes, they give you a soy sauce packet in the box. Since I don't know what their soy is like, I'm using my own Kinkomon because I know the taste of that. That I don't know. Don't trust it. I don't want it coming back to haunt me later. Um, these are a microwave or cook them on the stovetop in a steamer. 1200 watt microwave. You put them on a plate. It says sprinkle them with water. Mine had a bunch of ice crystals on them, so I just left the ice crystals on there and called that the water. Cover with plastic wrap. Whoops, I forgot to do that. And heat on high for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Serve right away. You do it on the stovetop, put it in a steamer basket for about 6 or 7 minutes, serve right away. I have not done the serve it right away. It says fully cooked, keep frozen. 3 servings per container, 6 pieces is a serving with 1 tablespoon of sauce. I put 8 on my plate, so per serving is 130 calories. Total fat's 3 grams. Cholesterol is 40 milligrams. Sodium 760. Total box is 2270. Total carbs 16 grams. Protein 11 grams. It is distributed exclusively by Trader Joe's, Monrovia, California. Contains soy, wheat, and sesame. Not a lot of frou-frou about where this is whose meal this is, what country, ethnic background, whatever, what's inspired it, or anything. Just here it is, eat it. So let's dig in. Since I cooked it in properly, I hope they turn out okay. Give it a little soy here. I guess I should have done one without soy. I guess I could do this one without soy and see what comes out like. All right, I can see the mixture in there. It looks like there's some carrots, some green leafy vegetables, which I'm guessing is either spinach or something along that line. And then there's the meat mixture of whatever's all ground up. But it is pureed pretty fine. Um, but it's pretty much like an egg roll, but smaller. It's just pretty much the same. Without the soy sauce, there's hardly any taste to it at all. It's really bland. So pretty much spice wimps like me could eat these all day long. These are not bad at all. Who called you? I only made half the box. I'm gonna have to go make the other half and eat those, or make something different so the other half can have the other half of the box. So what she thinks of them. Mm. I know it said to cover it with plastic. I know that was to keep the dumplings from drying out, but also probably be easier to eat this with the, well, for people who know how to use them, chopsticks would probably be good to eat these with, but I don't have chopsticks and I don't know how to use them anyways. Oh, really good. Like I said, really bland tasting. Really. Other than soy sauce, you get no flavoring at all. I mean, you put more soy in there. Didn't put much in there. Mm-hmm. These are really good. Um, if you've had the Trader Joe's chicken Shu Mai, let me know in the comments below. You like them? I think they're pretty tasty. As you can tell, I have sat here and scarfed 7 of the 8 of them down pretty quickly here. That, and I'm really hungry. If you like them, let me know. And until the next video,